After the assassination attempt on Robert Fico, the government parties have asserted from the beginning that it was the result of years of inflammatory rhetoric directed at him by mainstream media and the political opposition. The Minister of the Interior and newly elected chairman of the second most powerful government party, HLAS, The Voice, Matus Sutaj Estok, repeatedly references a public opinion survey from a non-reputable Czech agency in his media appearances to blame the assassination attempt on Robert Fico on the political opposition and critical media. Concurrently, he legitimizes Russian-sponsored disinformation outlets, included in the survey as alternative media.
A tie príčiny vám odpovedali ľudia. Veď minulý týždeň sme tu mali prieskum pre jednu televíziu a ten prieskum hovorí, opýtali sa ľudí, že čo si ľudia v tejto dobe myslia o tom, že kto môže za to, že sa rozhodol jeden človek, že zoberie zbraň a bude riešiť svoju frustráciu z toho, čo sa dozvedá od opozičných politikov a médií výstrelmi na predsedu vlády a útokom na demokraciu. Tak vám poviem výsledky toho prieskumu ľudí, nie mojich, nehovoria to vládni poslanci, ani ministri, ani nikto, ale ľudia. 61,6% si myslí, že za to, čo sa stalo v Handlovej, môže správanie sa a spôsob vyjadrovania opozičných politikov. 56,3% si myslí, že za to môže organizovanie protivládnych demonštrácií. 55,4% si myslia, že sú to mainstreamové médiá. 53,7% si myslí, že sú to sociálne siete. 37% si myslí, že to správanie a spôsob vyjadrovania vládnych predstaviteľov. 26% ľudí si myslí, že sú to alternatívne médiá.
The survey has been conducted by a Czech polling agency with a highly problematic reputation. SANEP is not a member of the Association of Market and Public Opinion Research Agencies, SIMAR, which ensures high standards and transparency and includes all reputable research agencies. Concerns exist about SANEP's data collection methods, which lack transparency and independent verification. SANEP's surprising survey results differ significantly from those of reputable agencies. The agency has been accused of favoring political entities like the SPD party that commission its surveys. SANEP has faced legal disputes over its methods, resulting in financial penalties. Courts have ruled against them. The agency has financial links to political figures, specifically Tomio Okamura, raising impartiality concerns. SANEP surveys often include evaluative judgments not supported by respondent data, undermining report integrity.